Okay, we're actually gonna do it right this time.
Yes.
And this is the Monster Mash song. Come on. Okay. Ready?
Okay.
And B.
Okay, let me fix this. Oh, did we press it? Oh, we're doing the Monster Mash.
Yeah.
I said that. I didn't introduce myself. I'm awesome.
I'm awesome. Skittle.
I was working in the lab late at night. My eyes were held an eerie sight. For my monster from her slab began to rise. And suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abode to get their vote from my electrodes. They did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. They caught on in a flash. They did the monster mash. The zombies were having the party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sound. Igor on chains backed by his baying hound. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker Five. They played the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They played the Monster Mash. Out from his coffin, Drax's voice did ring. Seems he was just
What a monster.
opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist? It's now the Monster Mash. And it's a graveyard smash. It's caught on in a flash. It's now the Monster Mash. Now everything's cool, Drax a part of the band. And my Monster Mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash is too. When you get to my door, tell them Morris sent you. Then you can Monster Mash. And do my graveyard smash. You catch on in a flash. Then you can Monster Mash. Easy, Igor, you impetuous boy.
Oh yeah. And that's the Monster Mash.